I just made it to the hotel. It's 11 p.m. We even have coffee shop open. Bakery, coffee shop. I'm looking for food. A bunch of restaurants here, 7-Eleven. Oh, smells like Korea. Takes me back to my childhood. Now it's 11 p.m. Don't expect this to be super crazy. Oh, Pop Cafe Dinner Bar. What is that? Maybe I go check that out. What is that? Yango chicken. It's like a chicken place. Big size coffee. Oh look, street food. People are sitting outside eating. They have kebab here. Whoa. Kebab. This one is definitely drunk. They're definitely a drunk man. He wants to eat ice cream. Half the people drunk here. Everybody's drunk. Look, it's not even a weekend. Oh my goodness, look. That guy's drunk too. Trying to get a taxi. What time is it now? It's midnight. I say 50% of people in the street are drunk right now. Look, the other guy is coming. I bet he's drunk too. And these are getting drunk. I think this place is specializing budae jjigae. Right here. It's closed now. It's open. It's past midnight. It's open. They're having budae jjigae here. This place serving full menu. Past midnight. I'm in the corner shop, 7-Eleven. And a lot of choices. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic. Oh, the milk. Strawberry milk, chocolate milk. Here's another place. Still midnight, past midnight. Another 7-Eleven. Now I lost my hotel. I don't know where my hotel is, honestly. Where is it? Chicken. Barbecue chicken. What is that? Some chicken stuff. Some food stuff here too. Chicken beer. Chicken and beer. Randomly there is a small alley and then you see some restaurants. That's a pizza place. Hack Boy Pizza. That looks pretty good. It's karaoke, Norebound. Karaoke. Flower shop. What is that? Life Cafe. They have some food here. This is my hotel. You know what this is? This is a lifeline. So it's a building, right? It's a tall building. I guess when there is a fire or something, this thing will hang out. That's the window, right? This thing will hang out of the window and it can descend you with the rope. Which is pretty cool. I think it's really cool. You can basically use that to Spider-Man yourself down to the ground floor from the window.